First, I'm gonna open the faucet, get a soap. I'm gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Get a paper towel. Throw in the trash. And then get another paper towel and then close the faucet. Check medication 3 times. Check the name, check the dosage, and check the expiration date. First, check in the MAR whose client you're gonna give medication, and then check the name of the medication and the client that you're gonna give for meds. So you're gonna ask his name if it is the right person to give the meds. The right person, the right medication, the right dose, the right time, the right route, the right reason, the documentation, and right reviews. And if you have a client asking as needed medication, give the client a PRN medication and then documentation. Perform or appear oral medication for a client. Client will be at sitting up position. Accurately calculate if the dosage 1 pill or more than a pill. This is an example for 1 pill, and this is the example more than a pill for a client. During liquid medication, make sure you wear gloves. Hold it and then shake it. Check the bottle before you using and place the label toward the palm and pour liquid into upright cup. Like I said before, always wear gloves. And then please don't chew the meds. And then put in the correct under the tongue. This is the sample. Open your mouth. Blow it up, please. So I put under the tongue. Make sure you will always wear gloves. Identify if the medication is going to the left or right ear. Make sure client is in laying down, and then drop the correct amount of drops in the right ear. For doing an eye drop, make sure you wear gloves always. Retract the lower lid to make pocket or holes openable. Upper and lower lids. Correct eye placement of drops and correct number of drops. Prepare sharp raise your hand properly and then put the lotion and cream. Doing a nasal spray, wash your hand, wear gloves, and then give cues the client to the breathe in with the spray and then the correct puffs of spray. So doing inhaler, first always wash your hand, wearing gloves, shake container before using, indicates when the spray is needed, give the client a breath in and holding, and then give the correct puffs. Wash your hand, wearing gloves, privacy client, remove the old pants, and then appropriate the location, and then skin preparation, and then correct application. Pill medication reminder box, MRD. Cross-check MAR and doctor's order sheet and an MRD level with the MAR. Proceed in organized manner. Use tweezer, gloves to handle medication. Correct ordered medication of each time slot. Correct number of medication for each administration time. For rectal, wash your hand, wear your gloves, client privacy, placement of client on left side if possible. Use a lotion or lubricant. Insertion of suppository between 2 to 3 inches for vaginal privacy client, and then placement of client knee with knee bent, and then insert the suppository between 2 to 3 inches.